How workers exit the building is vital to their safety. Each business should have an evacuation plan with 2 or 3 different ways to get out of the building and an area where everyone should meet.
Once we made the decision to evacuate, we quickly spread the word to our floor wardens, and here at Starbucks we've built a series of what we call floor wardens. They're individuals within each department who have the responsibility to put on an orange vest and a hard hat and just make sure everybody in their area is out of the building.
Our managers will run a safety drill with their employees by walking them out of a building. It takes about 10 minutes in one of their meetings. We also run evacuation drills for an entire building where we coordinate with our local fire departments and pull the buzzer and employees evacuate out in the building that way. But during the Nisqually quake, it was real. It was the real thing. And our employees understood because they practiced what to do in the event of a disaster.
Keep emergency kits on hand. Store some supplies outside your building in a secure area.
So we had 2,200 plus people out in the parking lot with all the supplies in the building. So one of the lessons was to store supplies outside your building where you can get them, because that's where you'll be after an earthquake.
This is one of the 3 containers that we have within our company for all of our facility, and this contains a lot of our emergency supplies for our volunteer disaster responders and our sector leaders. And
emergency services won't be able to respond right away. So your employees need to know what to do to take care of themselves and each other after a disaster.
Emergency services are going to be dispatched to other localities and other areas that are not going to be coming to your assistance. So it's very important that you prepare in your plans to be self-sufficient for at least 72 hours.
Slide this underneath. Okay.
Consider first aid, CPR, and other emergency response training to learn how to deal with fires, serious injuries, and trapped victims. Call your local emergency management office or fire department for classes.
Any kind of injury really that you could deal with, barring the need for a major splint or a backboard carrying device, is in here. Antiseptics, bandages, ACE bandages, ice packs, you name it, it's in here. And there are probably 50 of these scattered around the building.
Employees can keep individual emergency kits containing basic items like water, energy bars, a flashlight, batteries, radio, first aid kit, and other personal supplies like prescription medication.
Individuals, employees need to have what we call a grab-and-go bag. A backpack or a small handbag that is quick and easy to just grab during a disaster to at least get them going or to at least sustain them for 72 hours.